Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll be choosing a very easy topic, molarity in stoichiometry. And this is a very simple topic. Alright? So if you know you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, the term molarity simply means the number of mole of a solute. Number of mole of a solute in 1 liters of what? The what? Solvent. Note, the solute is actually the solid, for example, salt, solute. You put it in water. The water is solvent. So the number of mole, for example, of the salt in what? 1 liter of what? Water. That is what? Molarity. So actually mole all over what? Volume. So that's just the simple fact about what? Molarity. So note that the volume must be in liters, all right? And you know that liter is equal to what? dm what? Q. So take note of that. Now, let's solve these questions. What is the molarity of a solution prepared by dissolving 10 grams of sodium chloride in 500 what? Milliliter of solution? Now we have, the first thing that you have there is what? This is sodium chloride. And you realize that I did not bother to give so many constants in some exam you will not be given. You just need to do that yourself. So sodium chloride was 10 what? Gram. Now the first thing you need to look for is molarity is number of mole all over our volume. So you have to look for the number of mole. So how do we look for number of mole of what? Sodium what? Chloride. Number of mole is equals to what? Given mass over what? Molar mass. So the given mass is what? 10 gram. But what is the molar mass of what? Sodium what? Chloride. What is the molar mass of what? Sodium what? Chloride. So let's just calculate for that. So the molar mass of sodium. Sodium is 23. Chlorine is what? 35.5. And if you add, you have what? 58.5. So that brings us back to the formula. Number of mole, given mass over what? Molar mass. The given mass here is what? 10. And the molar mass here is what? 58.5. So let's use the calculator. So 10 divide 58.5. That will give you 0.171 approximately. So this is what? The number of mole, right? The volume here is what? 500 milliliters. So to convert it to liter, just divide it with what? By what? Use 1000 to divide it, you have it in liter. So 500 divide what? 1000. You are converting, to convert milliliter to liter, you divide what? By what? 1000. So you have what? 0.5 liters. So this is the mole, this is the volume. So just apply the formula, which is 0.171 all over what? 0.5. And your answer, so 0.171 divide 0.5. So your answer automatically is what? 0.342. So this is the answer. It's a very simple stuff. All right. The next question is how many mole are present in 2 liters of a 5 what? Molarity of what? Hydro what? Chloric what? Acid what? Solution. Now we know this same formula. Molarity is equal to what? Number of mole all over what? The volume in liters. They are asking you how many mole, and they gave the volume as what? 2. The molarity as what? 5. So M in this case is equals to what? M what? V, which is equals to what? 2 times what? 5. And my answer is what? 10 what? Mole. So this is a very simple question. Why the last question here is what volume of in this last question they are asking you what volume. So they are asking you to calculate for V. So What volume of a 2 molarity solution contain 1 mole of solute? So in this case, mole is equal to what? N what? All over V. So, and you are being asked to calculate for V. So if you make V the subject of formula, you now have, let me just do that. So put this over this, cross multiply. So this times this and this times this. So you now have, if you use V to multiply, you have MV equals to what? If you use 1 to multiply N, you have N. So divide both sides by what? N, because you want V to stay on its own. So over what? M over what? M. So this will cancel out. So V is equals to what? N all over what? M. So what is N? In this last, 1 mole, 1. And what is the molarity? 2. 2. And what is our answer? 0. What? 5 what? Liters. So this is a very simple concept in what? Chemistry. Simple assignment is being displayed on the screen. Solve and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for